Hello and welcome. I'm Jenny Hall. Thanks for joining me for another tutorial. Today I'm creating a scrapbook page that has a picture of my son and his grandmother, and I've created this from a kit. It's a kit from Altenew called the Reflection Scrapbook Kit, and I just love how it has everything inside the kit that I need except for adhesives. The 12 by 12 papers are absolutely beautiful. One of the papers is featured on the front of the box. And here's a look at what's inside. There are some sticky backed wooden elements, and then there are some adhesive backed little enamel buttons, which are so cute, and they can be used on just about anything. There are 2 frames that are made from plastic, and there are a bunch of these travel cards that feature beautifully watercolored scenes from cities around the world. So there are lots of possibilities with all of the different elements inside. There's even a stamp set. It's a small one, but it works well. And here are the puffy stickers. They have a nice black enamel look, and they are stickered on the back, so you can use them to spell anything you like. Here are some chipboard pieces, and they have an adhesive back to them as well, although I can see using a little bit more strength. There's also a rotary stamp that is used for dates, and it goes up through 2019 or 2020. There are some punched out vinyl words, and we've got lots and lots of regular stickers here too that are wonderful. I like all the stickers, and some of them are much more thick than others. For example, these stickers are really nice heavyweight, and check out the papers. Absolutely stunning. All of the papers have a watercolor look to them, and they can be used as a travel theme or just any kind of theme at all. And I am having some really great ideas on card making with these pieces as well. So I've got lots of ideas swimming in my head. They are one-sided. On the reverse side, it's not printed. There's 2 of every one of the patterns, and they truly are just really beautiful. Look at this one. Oh, I just like my breath caught in my chest. I love these. So I'm going to use one of the pages today, and I'm going to create a scrapbook page with the elements that are in this kit. So I'm going to choose one of the papers that has a big giant rose, and you can see how quickly everything just goes back into the box here. And the box is really nice and sturdy, so I like being able to keep it all together. The picture I chose was from 2 years, it was from last summer, and I like how this little frame has a very nice solid back so that I can use a double-sided tape adhesive to cut my photograph to where it's going to lay down on that back edge of the photograph. And it's just so simple, and it's very lightweight. The little frame has a nice texture to it, and I've decided on using this large watercolored rose. And the reason I chose this is because there is a blue color in the print that is also ties into the photograph. It's almost the same color blue. It's not much, it's just a little bit, but it's enough to where it draws the eye from the photograph down into the paper. And the little blue piece is just to the right of the photograph. It's not very big, but it's enough to draw the eye over. So I've chosen several pieces of chipboard sticker and some just different little stickers, and I'm kind of laying everything out to where it would be in kind of like a swoop design. Not a straight across, not up and down, but just kind of like makes a swoosh or a swoop to where the eye is led from one part of the design down into the next part, kind of, forming a little bit of a U and I'm leaving lots and lots of white space. I like how there are several different items in this kit that will allow me the opportunity for journaling as well. And all these nice little chipboard stickers. They're just so easy to grab. I think that a lot of the elements here, except for the photograph, they have that adhesive back to it. So there's, like, if I were to travel and wanted to do some scrapbooking with this kit and take it on the go with me, I could just bring my one little thing of liquid glue and I'd be all set. That would be enough for me to be able to figure out a photograph, take it with me, and we've got lots of stickers. So it would work out really well. So I'm just layering up a few different of the items, and I'm going to just add something that's a little bit more interest here and there. And I like how that really nice, bold black vinyl piece is going to stick out and really stand up well. So here's a look at my Altenew inks. I have the 100 mini ink cube set, and I use those frequently. Those are my new go-to inks. They work very well, and I like how they come in shades of the same color. And I'm using a fine line journaling pen to add some little handwritten sentiments here and there, and then I'll do my journaling just right down on the page. And this was taken during a visit, and my son truly loves his grandmother. I mean, what son doesn't? It was really easy to put together. Everything is held down together very nicely. That's a sticker where the little camera is. Now here's a look at a sneak peek of a project I'll have on my blog in 2 days, and I used one of the papers that are from the kit. Thank you so much for joining me today. All of the products are linked down below in the video description.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day!